let's try a video. I'm Aiden and this is cooking with me, by myself, no one else. Okay, so I'm going to be making a milkshake because I'm thirsty and I want to make a video. Okay, so ice cream. Ooh. So what you need is this, close it, doesn't leak, blah blah blah. Full cream milk to get the extra creaminess. Vanilla topping, vanilla essence, and ice cream. Just plain ice cream. You can make it other flavors if you want, but this is simple because I'm a basic bitch. Right, so just put some ice cream. It's not coming off the spoon. There we go. Now this you can do without electricity, which is what I like. I'm just going to keep adding ice cream, so I'll cut to the next bit. Alright, now that I've done putting in ice cream, blah blah blah, I'm going to pour in some syrup. I'm going to eyeball it, there we go. Because that's not a lot. Hear a baby crying, it's just my little sister. Hang on, I'll stop the video here for a sec. Okay, now, doesn't matter if you hear noise, doesn't matter. Just a little lid full of vanilla essence. Yes. Oh, Gemma! Gemma! What you doing? Alright. Now, the last ingredient is milk. And you fill it up to where you want, depending on the thickness. I'm gonna have it about there. Oh, shush. She's not allowed to play with my tripod, and so she's not happy. Alright, and now basically, shake it. Alright, I'm gonna cut back to when I'm done shaking. Okay, so, now that I've done shaking, got a straw. Alright, that's that done. I don't know why I made this video. Honestly, I just wanted a milkshake. This isn't funny. This has no entertainment value whatsoever. Just wanted a milkshake. At least it's a good milkshake. Excuse me. Thanks for watching. Hey, how's it going? Sorry about that video. I was honestly just looking for an excuse to make a milkshake without feeling stupid. So yeah, it's very close to Christmas, like really, like it's close. What should I do for Christmas? Like, if you've got any ideas for challenges, a certain type of video, I've been thinking for a while, like what kind of skit I could do for a Christmas themed skit. I don't know why I can't think of anything. There's only so much I could do considering what kind of camera I have and what kind of editor I have. And everyone's always saying, oh, get better stuff, but I don't think I need to, but it does limit some of the stuff that I can. So if you have any ideas, any at all, whether they're stupid or you're really just bored and you feel like making up something that I would probably never do, just comment it, we'll see what happens. I might do a reading your comments video. I'll get a Santa hat or something. I don't know, maybe a beard. I'll figure something out. So thank you for watching this absolute waste of time, and I'll see you in the next video or some other time. Okay, see ya.